In today's video, I want to show you one of the easiest affiliate marketing strategies that you can start and scale in 2023 and further. If you follow each and every step in this video that I'm going to show you, you will learn how you can make hundreds to thousands of dollars every single day in affiliate sales and affiliate commissions. This example over here is a recent TikTok page that has been creating and copying and pasting basic quote videos, which is completely allowed. I'm going to show you how you can do this legally, and you can also easily make your own content out of this as well. Doing this page has been posting once a day for a month, and they're already hitting no less than 1,000 views per video. Some videos blowing up to 12,000, and some of their bigger videos even up to 315,000, 500,000 views, another 440,000 views, 568,000 views. And this is one thing that is so powerful about this affiliate marketing strategy, is that short video platform content is the kind of platform that can blow up overnight. One video can change the whole game for your entire page because it brings in a ton of followers, a ton of traffic to all of your other videos, because your videos that aren't getting views are now pushing out onto the feeds of the people that have watched your viral video, and it just blows up your business as a whole. I'm going to show you how you can get started without creating your own content. This can be a really fun and easy side hustle, especially if you've got spare time in your day, or even if you don't, if you're a very busy person. This really does not take a lot of time to do. Without further ado, if you don't want to miss any of this juicy, valuable content, make sure to not skip any minutes of this video, because I'm going to explain it in the most simple step-by-step process that you can go and copy and paste and do yourself. Without further ado, let's get straight into it. What's going on, awesome people of YouTube? My name is Jay, your Nobi, a South African online entrepreneur, prop firm trader, and affiliate marketer from South Africa, documenting my journey on my YouTube channel on various ways that I use to make money online. If you guys want to get an epic $10,000 trading account giveaway, make sure to stick until the end of this video, because I'm going to announce how you can do that. But in today's video, in order to go and get started with this is actually my page, by the way, that I created and tested for today's video. I created this page about a month ago. It's a free motivational quotes page where I post motivational quotes in text form over some of my own videos, and also over stock videos that you can get off the internet for free. I layer over my text. It's random and inspirational quotes that I get off Pinterest, Instagram, and other social media platform that you can really go and copy and paste these quotes and get influence from. And doing this, I put an affiliate link in my bio, and I've generated well over $5,000 this year so far, and continuing to scale at about 300% per month in views. This is another fantastic example of somebody doing this on Instagram with over 24 million followers, just posting random quotes off the internet onto their own page. And you'll probably find, if you scroll all the way down to the bottom, those first few posts that they posted years ago probably only got 10, 20, 50 likes. They also started off as a brand new account with 0 followers, 0 likes, 0 nothing, and this is where they've scaled to years down the line. And they are promoting some kind of app for your phone where they get an affiliate commission per download that you make on your phone. And you can imagine, if these guys are getting 44,000 likes per photo or per picture or per quote, some of their videos even getting up to 250,000 views, every single day they're posting, that is hundreds of thousands, even thousands of people downloading this app every single day. So you can't imagine the type of commissions that these types of pages are making when you've scaled this large. Now, I'm not saying you're going to scale to 24 million followers in day one. Look at my page, for example. I only have 11,000 followers, and I started posting at the beginning of this year. Now and then on and off, but when I post a lot, it really grows quickly. Sometimes I just don't find the time to grow this page. I'm busy with a lot of other stuff as well. But for example, someone like you that perhaps has the time to be in this full time, the potential to scale is there really quickly. How exactly do you go and get started with this? The easiest way to go and get started is to come over TikTok and go and search motivational quotes or speeches or anything that's got to do with motivation. You can just search the term motivation, and if you come over to the top page over here, you'll see you'll be able to scroll endlessly and you'll see a whole bunch of some of the most viral videos in the motivation niche. For example, this video over here that got 5.8 million views, 1.5 million views. You can go and click on these pages. For example, One Mentality is the name of this page, and look what they're doing. They are going over to YouTube, cropping YouTube speeches and motivational speeches into a portrait format for TikTok and short video platform, overlaying their text with a free app probably called captions.com, reposting that onto YouTube, and they are even downloading the same TikToks from other TikTok pages and just reposting them on their page. And if I come over to their page over here, okay, so they monetize their page through DMs. Obviously, there's some kind of upsell when you DM them, and that's how they make their money, which is most likely also through some kind of affiliate program. And you can go and choose any one of these videos. I recommend choose the ones that have got a lot of views. For example, 4.1 million views. This is a very good example. Click on this TikTok. You can actually see over here, this TikTok was just reposted off another page. It's even got their little label over here, and this is their most viral video. You can go and copy the link of this TikTok video. There's a big button over here that says copy link on the PC version. I'm sure if you're on the phone, you can just go share, copy link. Go and search on Google, TikTok download without the watermark. You can go and click on the first link over here. It's perfectly fine. This is called sstik.io. Paste your link, just right click, paste, click on download, and this video will convert into a video without the watermark and download this to your PC. Click on without watermark, just close these ads. There are going to be 1 or 2 ads. You can just close them and take a look at this. In a couple of seconds, it will download to my PC without the watermark. And now you can come over to your own TikTok profile. Let me just come back over here, and you can go and upload this straight to your TikTok account, and just make sure you credit the original page in the comments or in the captions of this video. And that way, if you post consistently, once to twice a day for the next couple of months, I can nearly guarantee you most of you will get to 10,000 followers plus, and a really good solid audience base that you can monetize through various ways and with the same strategy that I'm about to show you. And you can also post these same videos on Instagram, such as this page over here who's growing on Instagram. You can then repost that same video onto YouTube Shorts, onto Instagram Reels, or even onto Facebook Reels and Facebook posts on your own Facebook page. So now not only are you monetizing TikTok, but you're monetizing TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube all at the same time, 4 timesing that exposure to your content and 4 timesing your audience size. You can then come over to a website called linktree.ee, which is a free website where you can go and create your own landing page for Instagram and TikTok bios with multiple affiliate links. So if you want to, you can also create a Shopify dropship store. You can create your own merch store with Teespring. You can create your own YouTube channel. And if you want to drive a lot of traffic from TikTok and those short video platforms to YouTube, you can monetize your YouTube channel very quickly through short video platforms by funneling that traffic to your mainstream videos. If you're a music artist, you can link some of your Spotify song links to your bio and make money through monetization there. There's so many different opportunities to make money with this. You can come over to, for example, udemy.com. You can find tons of courses on motivation, how to be confident. So for example, how to be confident, you can find a course on this. I'm sure there's tons on here. For example, a confidence masterclass, how to become confident, is a course that costs money to join. You can then go and join the Udemy affiliate program and promote this course as an affiliate through the link in the description of your TikTok or your Instagram page. So you can click on join now and you'll be able to go and get your affiliate link for any course that you want to. Once you've got the affiliate link for your course, when people join this course on Udemy, through your bio or through your Instagram bio, however you're promoting this, if you've got an upsell in your comments saying free confidence course in my bio, people go and click on that, purchase the course, and you get your affiliate commissions from there. So there's endless ways to go and monetize your TikTok page. And I'm going to help you out with tons of few examples that you can go and use through one of the playlists that I'm going to leave on the screen at the end of this video, where I specifically dive into monetizing TikTok, short video platforms, and capitalizing on this trend as a whole. So if you guys also, as I mentioned in the beginning of this video, wanted to get that giveaway, of a $10,000 account. I'm going to leave a link down below to my second YouTube channel where I'm going to announce all the giveaway instructions over there, as my second YouTube channel is more devoted to trading and what I do off of YouTube. My mainstream channel here, Millionaire Mindset, is more side hustles and stuff that I do online as a side hustle to trading. So like I said, the first link in the description will be to my second YouTube channel where you can go and learn how to get that giveaway. It'll be the latest video that I post on my YouTube channel. I'll actually just leave the link directly to that video. And also, if you guys want to learn how you can go and utilize the strategy and monetize your TikTok page in so many different ways, I'm going to leave a free Make Money on TikTok course on the screen over here. All of these videos are free YouTube videos. There's no upsell to some Udemy course or paid $2,000 crazy course. All of my content is here for free on YouTube. So this is a free playlist that you guys can go and learn how to monetize your TikTok page. So what I recommend you do is go and set up your TikTok page in a mindset niche or anything motivational. Use the same strategy and go and click on this playlist over here to learn how you can monetize that.